Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to a brand new legal breaking reporting video analysis update. The Supreme Court has agreed to take up a new case involving Hawaii's Second Amendment. Let's get into this new reporting by The Hill. It is read by an automated voice. So what we will do is we will kind of take a listen and read it as the AI generated voice reads it back.
Supreme Court takes up new Second Amendment case by Zach Schonfeld. The Supreme Court took up its next Second Amendment case on Friday, agreeing to hear a challenge to Hawaii's ban on carrying concealed weapons on private property without the owner's express consent. 3 Hawaii residents and a local gun rights group backed by the Trump administration urged the justices to review a lower ruling upholding the state's law. In brief order, the justices set the case to be heard this upcoming term. A decision is expected by next summer. It marks the Supreme Court's latest case that will apply its expanded Second Amendment test it laid out in 2022, requiring gun control measures to be consistent with the nation's historical tradition of firearm regulation. It has led lower courts to strike down many gun regulations across the country, but judges have also split on aspects of applying the test. Last year, the court provided additional guidance by ruling a federal crime on gun possession for domestic abusers was constitutional. The Justice Department and gun rights groups alike have since asked the justices to continue taking up Second Amendment cases to provide additional clarity. Hawaii is one of several states that by default prohibits permit holders from carrying guns on private property that is open to the public unless the property owner gives express consent, like hanging a sign. The challengers urged the Supreme Court to take up the dispute to resolve a split between the appeals court that upheld Hawaii's law and an appeals court on the East Coast that struck down a similar provision in New York. Hawaii urged the justices to turn away the challenge and instead allow more lower courts to weigh in on the issue. Petitioners seek to short-circuit this important stage of lower court percolation, Hawaii wrote.